In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Shopify Theme Editor, desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into the editor, where to find the tools you need, and how to save your work with confidence. First, sign in to your Shopify admin on your desktop browser. This is the central dashboard where you manage your store. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find Online Store and then choose Themes. This is the area where all of your store's themes live, including your current live theme and any drafts you might be testing. On the Themes page, locate the theme you want to work on. If you're planning to update what shoppers see right now, pick your live theme. If you're experimenting with a new design or layout, choose a draft theme instead. Taking a second to confirm you've selected the right theme helps you avoid changing the wrong version. Next, click the Customize button beside that theme. This opens the theme editor in a new view. Give it a moment to load. You'll see a preview of your storefront in the main area and a settings panel on the left. Inside the theme editor, the left sidebar is your workspace for sections and blocks. Sections are larger areas of a page, like your header, footer, or a featured collection. Blocks are the smaller elements inside those sections, such as text, images, or buttons. Click a section to open its settings, adjust text, images, or layout, and reorder items by dragging them. This approach lets you fine-tune content visually without touching any code. Along the top menu bar, you'll find helpful tools. Use the device preview to switch between desktop and mobile views so you can make sure your design looks great on all screens. If you need deeper customization, the Edit Code option is available, though it's best used if you're comfortable with theme files. You can also access documentation from this menu to learn more about specific settings as you go. As you make changes, remember that they're not live until you save. When you're happy with your updates, click Save in the editor. Wait for the confirmation to ensure everything has been applied. If you've been editing a draft theme, your changes are saved to that draft and won't affect your live store until you publish the draft later. If you edited the live theme, saved changes appear on your storefront right away. That's it. You've opened the Shopify Theme Editor, navigated its key controls, and saved your changes. Now you can confidently customize your store's look and feel on desktop anytime you need.